This is an antenna mount that can also be used as a light mount, and I make it for the Jeep JT Gladiator. And as you just saw, I designed it so that it could be installed on the back of the bed and still work with the factory tonneau cover. The mount is made out of stainless steel for optimal performance and corrosion resistance. It comes with stainless steel hardware, and the best part is it can be installed in just minutes using basic tools. To get started, the first thing you're going to need to do is grab this long bolt and one of these washers and slip it through the back side like that. And then we're going to grab two of these nuts, thread them on. And then from there, we can push the bolt all the way to the front of the mount and thread it in. And now, using a 9/16 inch wrench, we can secure everything in place. So we're going to tighten up this bolt right here so that it's sitting flush or just beneath the surface of the front of the mount. And then we're going to tighten up these nuts and use them as jam nuts, essentially just to keep everything secure. And just like that, your mount is all assembled and ready to be installed. From here, you just need to decide which side of the bed you want to install the mount, and then you just slip the mount in between the bulkhead and the cab, rotate it 90 degrees, bring it toward the back of the bed, align the holes, and then secure it in place using the bolts, lock washer, and flat washers provided with the kit. And then, just as before, we're going to use a 9/16 inch wrench, or in this case, a socket, to tighten everything down. And that's all there is to it. From here, all you need to do is install your CB antenna directly onto the mount. Of course, for those of you guys who are now using GMRS or race radios, you're going to need one of these. This is an optional adapter that I make and sell to help accommodate NMO style antennas. And I should note, the adapter will even work on the antenna mount that I make for the JL. It'll even work on a Mopar tailgate reinforcement bracket, or just about any antenna mount made. To install the adapter, all you have to do is place it on top of the mount and then secure it in place using the hardware provided. And then a 3/4 inch socket and wrench will be needed to tighten them in place. Now the NMO antenna can be installed onto it. Of course, this mount is made to do more than just install antennas. And as you can see here, I installed a rear-facing LED light with an amber lens, essentially to be a chase light so that people behind me can see me in the dust. Now, I do need to point out that this mount is made for 2021 and up Gladiators, or at least in terms of it being a bolt-on part. Unfortunately, 2020 models have a factory installed nutsert on the lower hole, and it would need to be drilled out in order to make it work. With that said, if this mount is something that you would like for your Jeep Gladiator, you can buy one today by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Radio check.
B2 loud and clear.